Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. After so many days, I'm again creating one video, and today's video is about Microsoft Teams. A long time back, I created some videos in Microsoft Teams. I show you how to start with Microsoft Teams and how to create personal accounts and business accounts in Teams, as well as I have also shown you how to create school accounts, add members in it, and all that. And today's video we will going deeper into business accounts. So here you can see I've created one business account in Microsoft Teams, which you can also create, and we'll start using it, and I'll show you how to use business account inside of Teams. Alright, so this is this is a business account that I have created on Microsoft Teams. When you open it, you get the activity section where you can meet now or you can schedule a meeting. That's pretty self-explanatory, in which you can just simply start a meeting right now using the meet now option. And if you want to schedule a meeting for your colleagues or any of your friends, if you want to meet there, so you can just schedule a meeting at any specified time you like. Here you get the settings option where you can manage some of the things in the Teams. For example, if I go to general, you can change the theme of the Teams app, so you can just select this and see that the theme changes automatically. And like this, you can change the themes of Microsoft Teams. You can also use the default app by downloading it. I'm not using that. I'm using inside of Google Chrome, which is browser Teams, you can say. So yeah, like this you can change the theme. Here you get a language where you can set the language by just simply clicking on it, and then you can just select what language you like. I'll keep it in English United States. You can also change your keyboard language if you want, and in the display you can turn off animations which requires you starting on Teams. And this is not something which you need, I guess. Then you're getting the accounts. You got the account of yours, which I'm not gonna explain anyway. You get some privacy modes which you can use if you want your account to be a little bit private. From here you can block some calls with no caller ID. You can receive surveys and all these, which are self-explanatory. Everything has been described right here, which you can see. And under notifications, you get some notifications of missed activity emails. You can set the time, and you get the appearance of sound. These all are pretty self-explanatory, and I don't think I have to explain this to you. You get the captions and transcript. For example, if you're inside a meeting, so you can turn on the captions, or you can see the subtitles in it, which is very nice. If you don't understand something your friend or your colleague or anyone else in the meeting is saying, if you don't understand it, you can easily turn on the captions and you can just read it, or you can just simply ask the person what he's saying. That's pretty easy, right? And here you get the calls. So choose how you want to handle incoming calls. So you can just call rings me or forward my calls. You can just say if unanswered, you can just give a voicemail. You can just do nothing. You get the ring for this many seconds before redirecting, so you can set the time. It's defaultly on 20 seconds. You can make it 30 seconds or even 10 seconds. I don't think that somebody will take it into 10 seconds. 30 seconds will be better, or by default it's 20 seconds, which is good. Here you get the voicemail options, using which you can send some voicemails around that. You can just configure your voicemail using this option. You get some options here inside of it, which is kind of self-explanatory. Here you can record a greeting and all this. I don't think you need some explanations on these things. And yeah, that's under the sections. I don't think I have to explain anything else inside of it. Meet now is a very easy option. If you just click on it, it will just instantly you will go inside a meeting, and you can just add some members inside the meeting, which is pretty easy. Schedule a meeting is other thing. Here you have to schedule a meeting, or you can just share the link to meet later on. So if you click on this option, then it will say to how to schedule a meeting. So you can give the name to the meeting. For example, is my name for Makaji's Teams meeting. You can give any other name. You can set the date, and you can set the time to, like what's the duration of the meeting, and after that you can just click on schedule to schedule the meeting, and that's pretty easy. Here you get the chat section under it. So in the chat section you can chat with your group members. But you can type messages, you can share links, you can share GIFs, emojis, and some photos, videos, everything you can attach and send in the chat section, which is pretty good. And here you get some settings to unmute your chat. So yeah, and that is very easy to do. Now under themes option, here when you first create a group, I mean a business team, then here you don't get any team at first, so you have to create a team, or you can just join a team as well. But creating a team is the best thing to do, so you can just click on create a team, and it will give you from here. Now it depends on you what kind of a team you want. You can just create a very basic team, or you can create a Microsoft 365 theme, something. You can select from a template like manage a project, manage an event, onboard employees, adopt Office 365, etc. And there are some other options, as I said. So yeah, that depends on you. So if you just create a basic theme, so you can just click on cat scratch. You can keep it private, or you can keep it public. Now if you do this as public, so anybody can join, install in this group in your organization, they can easily join. So I would say you that give that private, so yeah, they will require some permission. You can give any name. I'll give this, and you can just click on the create option to create a team. So that's pretty easy to do. And here we go. So our team has been created. Start typing a name or a group. Okay, so here it's saying that start typing a name, distribution list, or security group to add to your team. You can also add people outside of your organization as guests, so that you can just simply skip. So you can see that's our group and it's being created. So you can click on the new conversation to start any conversation with your group teammates. But first we have to add some teams members. So you can just click on here. You can get some a drop down menu where you can get some options, like you can hide this team, you can manage the team, you can add a channel to it, you can add a member, you can leave the team, you can edit the team, or you can get a link to the team, or you can manage tags and delete the team as well. It depends on you what you want to do, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So first we'll try to add member, nothing else. It's pretty easy. First, okay, let's see the manage team. So you got the member, you can see the members list here. I'm the owner of it, and there's no members. There's pending requests, channels, settings, analytics, apps, and tags. I don't think I need to do an explanation on it. You can add a channel inside it, like there is a general channel. You can add another channel. I'll just cancel that. You can leave the team, which I don't want to show. You can just add a member, but to add a member you would require his email address or something. You'll require his name or his email address, and you can just send him that to his email address. That is the invitation, and they can simply join to your group. Here you get the meetings option, where from simply, as I said, you can just meet now, or you can schedule a meeting. You get the calls option, where you can see the previous calls, and you can also do some calls as well. You give voicemails, history, contacts. You can see the contacts, and you can speed dial. Here you get the files option, where you can store files inside of it. Here you get the cloud storage, which is by default OneDrive. You can also add another cloud storage. Here you get the apps option, from where you can add some applications to your team. There are a lot of applications inside of it, like for example, if you want to add YouTube inside of it, so you got the YouTube here. If you want to add something else, like for example, I want OneNote, for example, here you get the OneNote. So you can just simply click on it and you can easily add it, which is pretty self-explanatory, and that's a very basic thing of our group, our teams, business teams, and which is pretty easy and anybody can do it, I guess. So yeah, that's pretty simple, and I hope you like this video. If you did, then hit the like button, share this video, also subscribe to the channel with the bell icon. If you have any doubts regarding this video, if you have any questions, just simply comment down below. It's open for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.